Welcome to another TV4Education training video. Today we're going to be having a look at how to clip videos from TV4Education. It's really easy to clip videos, and the video clipping tool is part of Smart Classrooms, which comes free with TV4Education or Smart Suite. And the easiest way to get there is first make sure that you are logged in. So if it says sign out on the top right, that means that you are signed in. Click on the menu button on the left hand side. Go to Smart Classrooms, because video clipping is just one of the things that you can do in Smart Classrooms. And click on Create Lesson. Now from here you've got 4 really easy options. So you can create a lesson, you can browse lessons if you've already created some, you can browse TV4Ed videos if you want to have a look at videos to create a lesson around. You can click to have a look at a tutorial, or in this case we're just going to clip a TV4Ed video. So straight away what it's going to do is bring up a search TV4Ed video box. So in there you can type in any search term. You might be looking for a particular series like BTN, so you can search for that, browse through the different records, choose the date that you want and click add. Or if you don't have a video in mind, you can of course just search for a subject, a keyword, and it's going to show you what videos are available under that category. If we say that, yes, we want this PG episode of Medicine or Myth, just click add, and that starts the lesson. So first of all, it's going to ask you to add a name to this clip. So in our case, let's say Medicine or Myth clips for class 8C. Now you can name it whatever you want. You can select a year level that you want it to be available to. In this case, I'm just going to say any logged in user can view this clip. You can add a description, so if you want other keywords or descriptions to be searchable so that it helps teachers or students find this clip, you can add a description in here. And then you want to make sure both of these settings are clicked to enable. That just makes sure that students and teachers are able to click on this clip and play it straight away. Then you just click save. Now the system is automatically going to pull up the video editor. So as you can see, the episode that I selected, which was Medicine or Myth, episode 8, is the title that's here, so I know it's the correct video. Now if I had a lesson guide that I've gotten somewhere that tells me the exact clip I need, I can actually key in those start and end times. Otherwise, I can just use this timeline on the bottom to click on any part of the film and get the right time. Now when I've selected the correct start time, I do the open bracket to mark where I want the clip to start from, and then I do a closed bracket to mark where I want the clip to end. So as you can see, those 2 red lines show the start and the end. And if ever you forget which button does which, whether it's the start or end, if you hover your mouse over the brackets or any of the buttons on our system, it's actually going to tell you what the button does. So if you get confused, just hover over those buttons. Now once I'm happy with that selection, over here I can add a title. So in this case I can just say clip 1. If I'm doing a test, I can say hint 1 or clue, and then create chapter. So now I have that clip that's ready and waiting for me. Now, something you may not know you can do is you can create multiple clips at the one time. So if I'm trying to make sure that my students can view just the important parts of this video, so as you can see, the full video goes for 51 minutes, but I might only have 10 minutes in my lesson to show the video, I can go through, mark another start and end point and say clip 2 and create. So I've now got 2 clips and one last clip from the end of this video. Again, start, then end. We'll name it clip 3 and click create. And I now have just the 3 clips that I want to save and play in my classroom. Now, if I click the save button here, this says your video has been edited and is immediately ready to play. So unlike some other TV providers for schools, our video clipping tool is instant. So as soon as you've clicked that save button, you can immediately show this to your class. So if we click the close button up in this top right hand corner, as you can see, it'll reload the video, and when you click play, watch this timeline here.
Sometimes I wedge the section of the bone.
So as you can see, it straight away jumped to the start of the clip. So what it's going to do is play that first clip, followed by the second clip, followed by the third clip, without allowing the teacher or the student that's playing this to skip to other parts of the video. So it's a really good tool to use if you wanted to show a movie that perhaps had an inappropriate scene. You can just cut that scene out and know for sure that your students aren't going to end up watching that scene that you've chosen to exclude. Now, the last thing you want to do is make sure that this says show to student, and that will allow your students to view this lesson. Now, everything that you do in this panel will be automatically saved, so you don't have to worry about saving. And now if you go to My Items, so don't forget My Items is where all your saved videos, lessons and catalogue records will be. You will now find that that clip that you've just created was the last added item in your items. And if you click on it, this is how it will open from now on. So you'll have the title that you gave it, and you'll have these options, which will be start, teach or edit. So you could add more videos on with different clips, or you can just click start or teach. If you click start, what it's going to do is bring it up in this screen. So because I don't have any questions, there's no questions there, but I can click the title to make the video full screen. And once I click play,
sometimes I wedge the section of the bone.
Again, it'll just start to play that clip for you. Now, if we go back to that clip from My Items, if you've decided to add another clip to the video, you can click Edit, go Add Material, and add another TV4Education video from here. So we'll go Science again. You can scroll through the results and select a different video that is going to work for you. Let's go The Truth About Vitamins. Click the Add button. And while The Truth About Vitamins is up on the screen, I can then click the video clipping tool. Again, I can select a part of the video. If I'm not sure whether this is right or not, I can click the play button.
5,000 dietary supplement products.
And then pause it when I've got to the right place. Set the end clip. Clip 1 vitamins, we'll call it, and go create chapter. Now once we click save here, again we've now got a second video clip. And if we go back to this screen, if we click on the I button, the I will always show you everything in that section. So we want to view all the materials. So we've now got medicine or myth was the first video that we've clipped, and then vitamins, and it's all within that one section. So if you're starting a class on volcanoes, you can create a whole bunch of different clips where the students or another teacher can just come and know they can get all their videos in one place. So let us know how you go with the video clipping tool. If you need help, don't forget to contact us at support@functionalsolutions.com.au, and happy clipping!